Hi, here's a quick video about how to replace the peel bar in a ZP450 label printer. First step is just to open the cover, pressing the two green levers on the sides, and remove any labels from this area. First thing we have to do here is remove the rubber feed roller, and to do that we press these two tabs outward and we lift these two levers. So the tab goes out like this and the lever comes up, and the same thing over here, the tab goes out and the lever comes up. Then that roller lifts straight out by holding those two levers. I've noticed that this gear will fall off easily and get lost. So just a quick note about that. Now the peel bar is right here and it lifts up straight out. You might want to flex this piece of gray plastic here outward just a little bit and then lift the bar straight up and it'll come straight out the top. You'll notice that there's a sort of a little bump on each end. To replace the bar with the new one, place the right hand side into the notch that it fits in on the bottom of this bar here, and then there's a slot on this bar that the notch can follow starting at the top, and you just press it down and it snaps into place. And then we replace the feed roller. Place the roller straight in with the two levers pointing up. The gear goes on the left side, and you may have to rotate it slightly so that the gear will mesh with the gear inside the printer. Then press down in the middle. It's kind of springy. Press it down and then lock the two levers in place. Make sure that it's engaged with the gear and that the peel bar is directly against it, and that's all you have to do.